In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Login, how to log in QuickBooks account. If you need to access your QuickBooks account and you're not sure of the exact login process, this walkthrough will guide you through it clearly and simply. Make sure you have your login details ready before you begin, and once you're prepared, you can follow along step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official QuickBooks sign-in page. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're on the correct website before entering any account information, especially when signing in to financial or business-related platforms. Once the sign-in page has loaded, look for the field where you can enter your user ID or email address. Type in the email or user ID associated with your QuickBooks account carefully to avoid any login errors. If possible, take a second to confirm there are no typing mistakes before moving on. After entering your user ID or email address, click Continue. This will take you to the next part of the login process, where you'll be asked for your password. Now enter your password in the password field. Be sure to type it exactly as it was created, since passwords are usually case-sensitive. If your device gives you the option to show the password while typing, that can be helpful for checking accuracy before you proceed. Once your password is entered, click Sign In. At this point, QuickBooks will begin verifying your credentials. If everything is correct, you'll move ahead in the login process. In some cases, QuickBooks may ask you to complete an additional verification step. This is a normal security feature designed to help protect your account. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. This might involve confirming your identity using a code or an approval method linked to your account. After that, all you need to do is wait a moment while QuickBooks loads your account dashboard. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take a few seconds. Once the dashboard appears, you'll be successfully logged in and ready to access your QuickBooks tools, financial data, and account features. If you run into any issues during login, carefully recheck your email address and password and make sure you're using the correct sign-in page. Thanks for watching.